Moodle tutorial for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So Moodle is basically a software where you can create your own community or you can start your course selling business very easily, and you can take it to another level within no time. So you can use this moodle.org. Over here you can see this website's address. You can go over here, you just have to visit this interface, and after coming to it you can see this get involved option. Simply tap on to get involved, and after tapping on to get involved with Moodle, you have to choose the format that you want to proceed with. For example, I would like to go with design and UX. So now here are some guidelines and liabilities that you can see if you wish to, and then you can just tap on to UX forms. Now you can add discussions topic from here if you wish to, but before that you have to log in. So let's log into Moodle. You have to enter your username and password, then you can log in. Also, you can use your Gmail account and Microsoft account if you wish to. For now, I'm gonna use my Gmail account. I'm gonna choose my Gmail and then I'm gonna tap on to continue. So after tapping on to continue, there we go. We now have the option to continue. So tap on to continue and proceed further. So you have been logged into Moodle. So this is what Moodle's interface looks like. You can tap onto this find out more options and then you are good to go. There are some options over here. You can download Moodle LMS 5 from here. You can check out the plugins of it. There are some forums of Moodle here. You can check out these things here. Documentation, downloads are the things from here very easily. You can just check this out. So if you don't know what Moodle is for, but I already have explained it to you earlier on this video, but I'm gonna show you more practically. So what is Moodle.org? So there we go. Now you can see that Moodle.org is the central community and support hub for the open source learning management system LMS called Moodle. So basically it serves as a platform for educators, administrators and developers to connect, share knowledge and collaborate on improving Moodle. So that was the short explanation of it. So you can get a central hub, like this is the official website for the mobile project, hosting the Moodle community forums and documentation and other resources. You can check out this community platform, like it provides spaces for users to discuss Moodle features, ask questions and share best practices for using the LMS, and you can get support and resources. It is an open source focused organization. So this is as simple as that. So this is what Moodle looks like. So let's go head over to Moodle's homepage, and if you keep scrolling here, you can see this. You can join the Moodle Experience Lab, you can translate Moodle Academy, you can experiment with them. Now here are some documentations of it, like how you can install Moodle, how you can set up your course. So let's tap on to set up your course, and from there you can very easily tap on to this adding a new course, or you can just tap on to upload course and simply tap on to upload course again, and then you can upload course very easily. So here are the sites. So let me show you how you can do it. Wait, let me show you.
Academy, which will redirect the drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Moodle Academy, which will the courses are organized developer. Suppose you are interested in enrolling in a course within the Moodle click within the Moodle Educator email service. You'll find a link on the confirming that your registration return this email. As scroll down and click on next to click on proceed on page. This will take you to the next step option. Click on it to start the application. Enter the appropriate check. After that, you will
So basically here you can see this option here. From here you have to tap onto Moodle Academy, then simply tap onto Moodle Academy, and from there you have to tap onto accept all cookies. So after coming to this side here, you can see some options, for example Moodle Educator, Administrator, Developer. So choose the one that fits you the most. Like you can tap onto this Moodle Educator. These are some pathways. Now you can choose that what type of pathway you want: educator programs, administrative pathways. You can search for courses over here. For example, okay, might okay, tap onto software development. Here you can see some, then you can search it over here. So you can just customize and you can search it up for yourself. Now you can tap onto login, and after tapping onto login you have to log in. As you can see, my login is confirmed, so tap onto Google again, choose your email account or Gmail account, and then tap onto continue. And after tapping on to continue, we are logged into Moodle. Then tap onto this continue options again, and then you're good to go. You just have to load this page over from here. Now from here you can add webinars, you can complete courses, you can enroll in programs. Here you can see these Moodle academic programs are some teaching basics, developer basics. You can just check out all these programs from here, and then you can choose them. There are some other resources available if you wish to. Now from here you can tap on to continue to self-enrollment as a learner. You can tap onto this and you have to log in and you are good to go. So this is how you can use Moodle Academy, and in the search bar you can search up for courses here, or you can just browse all courses from here. So you can tap on to educator pathway, general courses, etc. And if for example you can just buy one, you can tap on to continue. I can buy from here.
Information, so as you can see, recently access code here. Built out for this app. So here button. So setting up your course, creating your online courses. So let's get into it. So over here, as you can see,
and if you head over to this side here, you can see this home page, and if you keep exploring here you can see some options. As I told you earlier, you can find courses from here very easily if you wish to, and then you can just simply find those courses and you can buy it. As you can see, I'm currently using guest access, so right now I don't have any access, like full access to it. So you can just buy a premium one and then you can just go over it. So let me choose an account again. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, let's head over to our Gmail and let's confirm our account. So this is it. Now you can tap onto this option and then you are good to go. So here you can see this option, log and NSBP. Simply tap onto it and now you can just go again. You can also create new account. If you don't have account already, you can just create it. So this is what it looks like. Tap on to continue, and then after tapping on to continue you have to scroll down, tap on to next, and simply here you can find your courses. Also you can just tap onto my courses from here. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to show you that. Okay, you just have to answer these questions over here, and lastly you have to check these questions to proceed further. You just have to tap on to next after proceeding with them, and then you go. Now you can enroll on any course from here, and then from here by tapping onto my courses you can just choose and find courses from here, like the courses that you bought. So here is the dashboard of your Moodle Academy. So if you have bought any courses, they will be shown up here. So this is how it looks like mostly, and then If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video. Till then, keep watching our videos, like this video, subscribe to the channel.